So I spent the evening out here at the dam again, and I am just going to make like a really quick supper. We're just going to do a steak sandwich and some green beans. Originally I planned to come out here to camp, but I'm actually freezing cold. I'm fighting off a cold right now, and I'm not doing it. So we're just gonna hang out here, cook supper, and probably head back. But still want to spend some time outside because it is October 24th, I believe, and we haven't gotten any snow that's stuck, so it's kind of nice to be able to take in some fairly nice weather actually before we start getting inevitable snowfall that stays. So yeah, come along with me. Oh, I just about knocked you over. Had to bring out the, I actually don't know 100% what these are, but they're like shell snow pants, no insulation in them. They're vintage Mountain Equipment Co-op, but I really like them, and they seem to have cut the wind fairly well. So let me go grab my cooler and let's get cooking. I wasn't recording. We're not using all of this butter, just instead of cutting it up, we're just melting some of that. I don't love traveling with raw meat, so we're gonna fry up all of this. We're going pretty basic. Gonna do some salt. Some pepper. This, like, hopefully you guys can see me. This pepper I'm using is from, it's like called country pepper or country spice. It's made in BC. I think in Penticton, but I'm not 100% sure. It's really good. All I had was garlic puree, so that's gonna have to do. So I'm just gonna cut this ciabatta and then we'll like put the meat on with some Swiss cheese, and I still gotta fry the green beans. So while you probably can't see me, while this is sorry, these beans are cooking, I'm gonna throw some cheese on here. See if we can melt it on top of the meat. Me and these packages never get along very well. I might have waited a little too late to do this so you guys could see okay. Probably trying to tell I spend a lot of time down here. It's within a pretty decent driving range from like where I live, so I like to spend time out here. It's quite universal, or like lots of different things you can do out here. Like there's the canal behind us, where you can fish or paddle or do whatever you want, but then there's like a lot of townland out here, so you can quad and hike, and it's just a nice place to spend time out here. And normally these spots where I'm in right now are filled because of people camping, so it's kind of a nice treat to be able to be right by the water, but it's mostly because it's the end of October. So I'm gonna just check these beans and we'll see how we're doing. So I put the ciabatta bun there to see if I could get it to like toast up a little bit or fry up, and then we'll put the meat on it and then eat it with the beans, and then we'll probably head home. Someone actually put in some time to make this a nice little spot. Like that's an actual, solid metal fire pit ring, not just typical rocks. And we're not that far off of the main road, so it's kind of a nice spot to just pop in quickly. So it's getting kind of dark, so I just didn't show you, but I quickly put that sandwich together. We'll put the beans on the plate, but ourselves a nice steak sandwich that's really hot on the bottom, and some Swiss cheese, and some beans that have some garlic on them. It'll be really good. Okay, you guys can hardly see me. I'm packing up. I'm getting out of here. Thanks for coming along on this short little trip, and maybe I'll post this. I haven't quite decided yet, but maybe I'll show you cooking this little meal on this stove out here. Give you some ideas when you guys come out here. But if not, see you later. Thanks for watching.